All right, so here we have graphing translations. So each pair x, y in A, B, C, D is mapped to x plus 4, y minus 2. And what this means is that this is a right 4 and down 2. And so what's going to happen is if I take point B, I'm going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go down 1, 2, and that's my B prime. I'm going to do the same thing with each one of these pieces. So for A, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, I get A prime. D, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, down 1, 2, get D prime. And same thing with C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1, 2. So each time, for each point of this figure, I am moving 4 units to the right and 2 units down. So that's one way that you might be given it, where they say, oh, move to the right and move down, or you could say move to the left, go up. Another way that you could be given this, it looks like this. And what this means is that the translation of moving 4 to the right, down 2, of A, B, C, D is equal to A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. And remember, this is our pre-image on this side, and this over here is our image, what we're trying to find. So here's an example of graphing a translation. So it says graph the triangle with these vertices. So 0, negative 2 is my K. L is 4, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and M is 5, 2. So to connect those pieces, it's going to look like this, KLM. So I need to find the image after I translate it here, and this means to the left 3, down just 1. So I take each piece and I go 1, 2, 3, down 1. This is my L prime. 1, 2, 3, down 1. M prime. 1, 2, 3, down 1. K prime. And so one of the things that they might ask you for is the new coordinates. Well, L, I can also do it like this. If I had L is 4, 3, I know I'm subtracting 3 and I'm subtracting 1. So L prime is 1, 2. And we can check that, and that checks out in our graph. So I can do this for each one. So say I needed to do K. Minus 3, minus 1. K prime is negative 3, negative 3. And I can go check that, and that checks out on my graph. And then the last one that I have to do is M, which is 5, 2. You subtract 3, you subtract 1, and you're left with M prime is 2, 1. So those are the points, the vertices of that triangle, and they correlate with the graph that we made.